Do you need new or better locations for your vending machines? The vending business can be a great business. It's a cash business that can pay you big money and give you lots of free time. It can be expanded easily and eventually sold for a ton of money. But that all depends on one thing: quality locations for your equipment. Without good locations, none of that's possible. With good locations, you can make your financial dreams a reality. At all vending machine locators, we've been helping vendors reach their business goals for over 15 years, and we can do the same for you as well. Do you have vending machines that need good locations? Are you considering buying vending machines and would like to have them located for you? Consider using our services. I'm Pete Malazzo with All Vending Machine Locators. Since 1993, we've located thousands of vending machines for hundreds of vendors like yourself. Every size and shape, from little bulk candy machines up to big combo soda and snack machines. If you have a vending machine, we can locate it in a good money-making spot. Our prices are fair, our work is guaranteed, and we have dozens of references for your assurance. Call 1-888-307-1870 for the best locating services on the planet.